Hello and welcome back. This is chapter 13, review for product and brand strategy. Basically, there are 6 learning objectives for us to look into our today's slot, which involve the explanation on how product strategy contributes to firm performance, to recognize new product service, serve a variety of purpose depending upon what is seen to be the strategic imperative, examine the concept of platform in new product development, assess the importance of brand strategy in product development, and explain how differentiation and positioning contributes to product success in the marketplace. And finally, uh, we will look into the importance of marketing research for an effective development of new products. The product developed by an organization provide the means to generate its income. Yeah. However, there are many factors to be considered for to maximize the product changes of the success in the competitive environment. The approach of many technology intensive firms is based on the exploiting of technological innovation in a rapid changing market. Other firms, especially those involved in fast-moving consumer goods, will be more focused on meeting and supplying products to meet the rapid changings of their customer. Telecommunications industry, for example, moving very fast and spread very quickly. All firms have to consider the market in which they are competing, the nature of the competition, and how the capabilities of the markets will enable the products to be successful. The positioning of the products and brand strategy selected are of particular importance and are factors to reflect the subject of this chapter. This chapter examines a factor that a firm has to be considered to maximize the product change of success in ever increasing competition environment. In particular, this chapter emphasizes the need for a company to first identify specific ways that the company can be differentiates from the other competitor in order to gain its competitive advantage. Second, to consider the market in which it is competing, the nature of the competing, and how its capabilities will enable its product to be successful. And thirdly, to consider the positioning of the product and the brand strategy selected. The important point to note here is that for any organization, they have to choose to compete in one or more product market using specific range of technologies. There are a variety of technologies available out there. So which technology to consume, to apply, to use, it's all based on the creativity of the organization itself and the capabilities to buy that particular technology. They seek to have a sense of balance capabilities that will enable them to match the market opportunity by developing attractive market offering. The one that you can see is actually, for example, tablets. There are many varieties of tablets, or the smartphones are available out there in the market, which customer perceive as conveying valuable benefits. How well the accomplished is compared to the competitors is a major determinant of success. This chapter also raises many of the issues need to be considered in product planning. Product or services are the vital ingredients of the market offering and are react as a vehicle for providing consumer satisfaction, deriving a set of product that customer perceive and useful and worth buying it. Yeah, but most oftenly is the result of deliberate and system endeavor. Yeah, the capabilities of the smartphone itself to serve for multiple communication function. It solves a consumer problem. Some understanding of the nature of the endeavor can be gained from studying the interaction of three factors. The first one is the organization capability itself, yeah, its its strategies employ, and the third one, the environment within which it operates. Additional insight that come from considering positioning and brand strategy, market entry strategy, and contribution of market research. Yeah, the illustration provide an usual view of service provision and the importance of understanding soft skill. Look at the innovation in action, yeah, language contact, yeah. You can see that it's a question for you to ponder here, yeah. How do product platform differ from umbrella brand such as Nestle and Kellogg's? Read the case study and try to answer it. Okay, what do you think? Okay, to what extent it's possible to have several different product strategy with the same firm? Well, it is very possible, but usually firm adopt similar strategy product, such as, for example, BMW for all its car product. All other firms, however, adopt different product strategy. Yeah, they use a differentiation strategy for their marketings, right? Okay, then please discover the case study notes as well as the discussion questions on your own.